Hi, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can make use of AI text to video generator to create amazing video content like this.
YouTube is a vast video sharing platform with diverse content and global influence.
And also, I'll be sharing with you different platforms you can use to generate video like this. So stick around to the end of the video to find out. Okay, so for this video, we are going to be doing two steps. The first step is to generate our prompt from ChatGPT. So to do that, head over to the website and you will see this dashboard. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to give us a prompt. Alright, once we have done that, we can now move to the next step, which is to generate our video and also explore other alternatives like I told you. The first AI website that creates videos like this is called DID. I'll drop the link in the description box. Click on the first link in the description box and you'll see this dashboard. Now, sign up or log into your account. So I'll just log in here. Now after that, you see this dashboard. Here you get many pre-built avatars that you can use for creating videos. There is also an option to create your own avatar by providing a prompt. For example, I created an anime-like character, but for this example, I'm going to be using their own image. Now, let's enter the video script here, which we generated from ChatGPT. Alright. Now, there is this option that you can use to expand your existing video script using the inbuilt AI that automatically detects the existing content and context and then start adding more to it. It added more content to what we gave it. Also, before selecting generate video, make sure you check the script again if there's anything you would like to change or remove. After that, click on the generate video. You can also select the language you want the AI to speak in and also the voice. And also there is this option for you to upload your own audio. Well, if you don't want to use these pre-made avatars or prompt art, you can use your own face instead. For this, click on the create icon and then choose one of your images, particularly a headshot. Then paste the video script here again, select the audio or use their own audio, that's AI voice, and then select generate video. Now, let's preview how our video look.
YouTube is a popular video sharing platform that revolutionized the way people consume and create video content on the internet.
Alright, when you're satisfied, you can also select the download button and export a file into an MP4 format, all for free. Alright, we have seen the first AI tool. Let's explore a more humanly options that create content like this.
Hi, Name. I wanted to personally contact you about this amazing special we have on one of our vehicles that we think you would be interested in. I wanted to make sure...
Alright, the second text to video creator is called Be Human, and it just does this to the name. Yeah, you get preview templates that you can use, and you can also record your own. And also, the interesting fact about this AI tool is that its AI avatar can change its expression according to the video script that you provide, and believe me, it's going to sound completely natural. Alright, moving on to the third tool, which creates content like this.
Wondered what it takes to stand out in the vast ocean that is YouTube. With millions of videos being uploaded every day, what is the secret formula that makes some videos go viral while others barely get a view? These are the questions we'll unravel today, so buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of YouTube.
InVideo.io. This tool is for creators whose imagination is boundless. Let's create our first video. Alright, when you create a free account, you will see this dashboard. Now select the AI text to video. And also, this AI tool has different templates you can edit. So templates, select use templates. Now you will see this dialog where it asks you to input your script. So we'll just paste the one ChatGPT made for us. Then select create scenes. As we can see here, our video has been created. Let's see a preview. Alright, once you're satisfied, you can export into an MP4 format. The amazing fact about this AI tool is that it has an inbuilt AI video editor, which allows you to edit the scenes it gave you in your video. Wait, there is one more tool, and it's better than all the ones I've showed you, and it creates videos like this.
I'm Alex, and here's a quick Synthesia product demo. To begin, choose from a wide variety of fully customizable video templates. Then, select your preferred AI avatar. Now, type in text in over 120 languages.
And choose a narration style or local accent.
Next, start editing your video. Easily change colors to match your brand identity and upload your logo or other brand assets that you can reuse for future videos. Alternatively, you can choose from a library of millions of royalty-free media assets such as videos, images, icons, and more. Add your text and position everything easily thanks to the snapping function. And if you need, you can also add a soundtrack. Record quick videos of your screen with a built-in screen recorder, so you don't have to jump in between apps. Trim and crop your recording and adapt it to your scene. Animate elements by dropping markers in your script. It's an easy, satisfying, and super quick way to make your video look more professional. When you're ready, click Generate Video and include or exclude automatic closed captions. Share your video with your team to get feedback and add comments. If you need to make changes, simply edit your video, adjust it, and generate a new one in minutes. Finally, when your video is ready, you can download it, share it, or embed it. And that's it. Try it for yourself today. Ciao, ciao.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.